The benefits of CAPM certification for non-project managers. In today's competitive market, effective project management is vital. It's no longer the job of traditional project managers. Organizations now expect employees in all roles to know basic project management. The Project Management Institute, PMI, offers the CAPM certification. It is now a key credential for many aspiring project managers. Understanding the CAPM certification. The CAPM certification aims to teach professionals the basics of project management. The CAPM is easier to get than the advanced PMP. The PMP requires extensive project management experience. The CAPM cert gives non-project managers a full view of project management. It covers project scope, time, cost, quality, and more. It includes human resources, communications, risk, procurement, and stakeholder management. Enhancing cross-functional collaboration. In many organizations, projects must collaboration between various departments. These include marketing, finance, HR, and IT. Non-project managers with CAPM certification can help cross-functional collaboration. Knowing the project management framework will help non-project managers. They can better foresee challenges and risks. They can also be more proactive in solving problems. This leads to smoother projects, fewer misunderstandings, and a better team. Improving time management and efficiency. A key benefit of the CAPM certification is its focus on time management and efficiency. Non-project managers often juggle many tasks, so they must manage their time well to stay productive. The CAPM certification teaches professionals to plan, schedule, and rank tasks in projects. These skills are useful in their daily work. Building leadership and decision-making skills. Leadership and decision-making are essential skills for any professional, regardless of their role. The CAPM certification helps non-project managers. It teaches them the project management decision-making processes. A marketing manager with a CAPM may make better campaign decisions. They must work within time, budget, and scope limits. This skill can boost a non-project manager's leadership. Conclusion. In conclusion, the CAPM certification benefits non-project managers. It gives them the skills to excel in their current roles and beyond. By learning project management basics, non-project managers can collaborate better with project teams. They can also improve their time management and efficiency. They will develop their leadership and decision-making skills and expand their career opportunities. As organizations value project management, the CAPM certification is becoming more sought after. It is an asset for professionals in any field. Investing in CAPM certification boosts personal growth and the organization's success.